After sporting a black eye at a recent award function in a bid to protest against what he called the monopoly in the music industry, Abhay Deol had big names from the music fraternity backing him as they continued their fight against the so-called exploitative measures of record labels.
It started with a Facebook post. Then he made a statement by sporting a black eye at an award function. Abhay Deol is the first actor-producer from the Hindi film industry to take an open stand against a music label, in this case, T-Series. Deol has accused the label of arm-twisting him for his first production, 1/2. Abhay Deol held a press conference to highlight his fight against music giant T-Series. But Deol was not alone. Joining him on stage were some of the biggest and most respected artists in the music industry, all of whom had a bone to pick with the music giant.
Everybody is losing patience, and tomorrow if some drastic step is taken by the authorities, then we should not be blamed for it. As a matter of fact, let me not mince my word, warning them that please adhere to the laws or else.
It's ridiculous. One logic is, but sir, हमने आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं होता तो फिर आपका म्यूजिक कहीं पहुंच नहीं पाता. पर ऐसे सर, अगर मैं गंदा से गंदा ट्यून आपको दूं, क्या आपको लगता है उसकी पहुंच ज़्यादा होगी?
सही, बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्यूट.
केजी के बच्चे को भी आप कहोगे कि भैया ये दूध नहीं पीना, ये पॉइजन है, ये अलाउड नहीं है, वो भी बोलेगा हाँ नहीं पीना मुझे, इसमें गंदा कुछ पड़ा होगा.
The music company clearly told all of us that if you don't sign this agreement, we will not promote your music.
This is a lie. They are liars. That's the problem.
T-Series had earlier responded to allegations levelled by Abhay, claiming that they had suffered losses of their own.
Here I would like to also add that it's T-Series who is and has already got into this losses of not being to monetize the content which has been bought by Viacom. And on the top of that, if we are getting these allegations, I think that's unfair to us.
According to the Copyright Act of 2012, artists now have right to equal share of royalty. However, musicians claim that these rights are openly revoked by music labels via illegal contracts. It's a wait and watch game to see who will really face the music. In Mumbai, Veena Bhate for Times Now.